Balancing your hormones naturally can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. Here are some key strategies. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Healthy fats include omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Coconut oil, olive oil, and avocados also support hormone production. Fiber helps to eliminate excess estrogen from the body, especially from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Protein ensures your body has the building blocks to produce hormones. Opt for lean meats, eggs, and legumes. 2. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help lower cortisol levels. Sleep well. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to regulate hormones like cortisol and melatonin. 3. Exercise regularly. Moderate exercise. Regular activity like walking, swimming, or cycling can help balance insulin and cortisol levels. Strength training. Lifting weights supports muscle mass and boosts metabolism, aiding hormone balance. 4. Limit toxins. Avoid endocrine disruptors. Reduce exposure to chemicals in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products by opting for natural or organic alternatives. Detox naturally. Support your liver with detoxifying foods like garlic, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables. 5. Support gut health. Probiotics. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut support gut flora, which is essential for hormone regulation. Prebiotic foods. Bananas, onions, and garlic nourish beneficial gut bacteria. 6. Consider herbal supplements. Maca root, known to support hormonal balance and energy levels. Ashwagandha helps to lower cortisol and improve thyroid function. Vitex, shastberry, can help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate PMS symptoms. 7. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is essential for all bodily functions, including hormone regulation. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. 8. Optimize vitamin and mineral intake. Magnesium helps regulate cortisol and insulin levels. Found in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Vitamin D supports hormone balance and can be obtained through sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified foods. B vitamins, crucial for hormone regulation, especially B6 and B12, found in eggs, poultry, and whole grains. 9. Mind your caffeine and alcohol intake. Limit caffeine. Excessive caffeine can elevate cortisol levels, so opt for green tea or herbal teas instead. Moderate alcohol. Alcohol can disrupt hormone balance, so it's best to consume it in moderation. 10. Track your cycle. Cycle syncing. Adjust your diet, exercise, and lifestyle based on the phases of your menstrual cycle to support natural hormonal fluctuations. By adopting these practices, you can promote hormonal balance and improve your overall health naturally. Remember that consistency is key, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine.